Retigo Combionline, new connectivity system for Retigo ovens. Retigo Combionline allows you to connect an unlimited amount of devices. What are the benefits? Recipe management. Having all your combi ovens at your fingertips saves you time, extends your menu, and delivers uniform quality standards. You can quickly and easily upload new recipes into the device. Device remote management. Have a better control over your business. You can see the overview of all connected devices with current status. Operational statistics. Ensures the best return on investments. Have a perfect overview of water consumption, energy, and the overall use of your equipment. Automatic notifications. Instant awareness about any issue. Profile management and automatic software update. Saves you time and travel costs. The user profile with customized home screen can be uploaded to multiple devices at once. Remote management. Get more free time and less stress. You can monitor the cooking process remotely and change the parameters if needed. This might be useful, for instance, during overnight cooking. User role management. Determine responsibilities in your team. You can choose from 3 different user roles with different rights for the device system. Operational log. All important at one place. The history of operational logs, HACCP information, and error logs are available. Security. No need to worry about your data. Automatic data backup on a secure server ensures that important data are stored securely. Retigo Combionline, new connectivity system for Retigo ovens. Visit www.combionline.com and make your ovens more efficient.